Hi Kim.
Hey Sean, good to see you again.
How have you been?
Okay, I didn't sleep much last night though. I stayed up until 2 a.m. studying for an exam.
I was up late last night too. The semester is almost over. I've had exams all week.
Are you going back to California after you graduate?
I think so. After I graduate, I'll probably go back home and try to get a job.
Do you know where you'd like to work?
Not yet, but I want to be an English translator.
That'd be really cool. I'd like to be a translator too, but I don't think my English is good enough.
Don't worry about that. Your English is better than most of my classmates.
Thanks. Where are you going now?
I'm going to study at the library. I have to take an exam tomorrow.
Me too. How late does the library stay open?
I think it's open until 11:30 p.m.
Okay, good luck.
You too.